Now we're going to talk about how to create periods for the individual rotations that students will be on during their clinical year. First, you'll go to administration, you'll click on periods. Here, you'll see all the ones that are currently existing. These are the ones for the current class of 2022. You'll see the start and end dates. The naming is what you choose it to be. So you'll see in this case, I named it something that made it pretty easy to figure out what was what. You can name it whatever you choose. But to add your own, you go to the top right, you click on add, you give it a name. Again, you would create one of these for each of the rotations during the year. I'm just doing a generic one here for the purposes of this demonstration. You would pick a start date for the period. Go from August 1st of 2022 through September 30th, 2022. You'll click add. And you can see that it's been added down here at the bottom. That's all there is to creating a new rotation period or rotation slot to plug students into during the clinical year.